Welcome to the next module in this course of a comprehensive guide to Indian patent system. In this module, we will be discussing about the patent filing procedure. So first of all, before going on into the procedure, who can apply for patent? If you revise, any person who is claimed to be the true and first inventor of the invention, and any person being the assignee of the person claiming to be the true and first inventor, and the legal representative of any deceased person who immediately before his death was entitled to make such an application, and by the legal representative of the true or first inventor with the power of authority signed by the inventor can apply for the patent. These are the four cases persons who can apply for the patent. And what is the process of patenting? Actually, we'll be curious that do not should not disclose our invention. We should not be curious such that we should not disclose our invention, and we have to keep our invention very secure. Then only we can go for the patenting. So how we have to file the application? So first, there are two methods which we can file application. One is physical filing at the appropriate patent office, and the other one is electronic filing. So where to file the patent applications? So if you see where we have to file, there are some territorial jurisdictions given by the Indian patent system. That is, the applicant have should be the resident of India. Otherwise, the applicant should have a residence of a business. Should be a place of business or any domicile in India. Our address of service in India should be there. Okay, based on the applicant's address, the territorial jurisdictions are given. For example, if you see the patent office branch of Chennai, the states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and union territories of Pondicherry and Lakshadweep. These the areas coming under this territorial jurisdiction have to apply to the patent office branch at Chennai. Whereas in the e-filing, obviously, when we give the patent applicant his own his residence address, or obviously immediate that patent e-filing system only will of the office. Okay, automatically the office name will be generated, whereas in the physical filing we have to see this territorial jurisdictions. In the same way, the patent office branch which is at Mumbai, New Delhi, and the headquarters at Kolkata, we can see that what are the different territorial jurisdictions of these patent offices. So next we had seen what is the appropriate patent office. Next we are going to the how we are going the process of getting a patent. So there are different steps in the process to get a patent, starting with the filing of a patent application, followed by publication, examination, objections, oppositions, and sometimes it may undergo rejection, or finally we may get a fruitful result, that is a grant. After grant also there are some things like post grant opposition and renewal of patents. We have to renew our patent which is granted also, and then abandonment of patents and restoration of patents. These are the different overviews we can see, different perspectives we can see in the patent procedure in Indian patent system. So first of all, in the filing of patent application, what are the different things we have to see? The application for patent can be filed only on the payment of the fees. The fees will be changing, will be now the provisional application. As per now, it is 1600 rupees for the patent application, but we can check the fee from time to time in the IPO website. So the filing fee will be charged, and no, there will be no extra fee up to 30 pages of the complete specification and 10 claims. After that, exceeding these limits, there will be extra fee that we can check in the website. And the next, the application specification and all documents should be either in Hindi or in English language. And then coming to the forms which are useful for the application, that is a provisional and complete specifications. If you see, complete specification we have to file within 12 months from the date of the provisional. application, and 3 months relaxation can be given upon getting the permission from the controller. And coming, what are the different contents in the specifications? If you see that there will be the title, description, scope, diagram, abstract, etc., which we will be learning later. Okay, and then priority date. Priority date is first to file. In India it is a first to file, whereas in US the criteria is different. In the priority date, that is first to document. So what are the different documents required we have to file when we are filing? There will be different forms in the Indian patent system. That is, the first form 1 is related to the application form, and form 2 is also, that is a provisional or complete specification, whereas the form 3 deals with the statement of foreign filing, and form 5 declaration to inventorship, and form 9 request for early publication, and form 19 for the request for examination of application for patent. And you can, these are the different forms, and we have to ready with the abstract and also the drawings, and we have to pay the fee, whether in the e-filing we will be paying in online, whereas but if we are filing physically, then demand draft or check, what are the requirements we have to fulfill, all these all documents we should be ready while we are filing the patent application. And and the other checks, what we have to do, we have to check whether we had paid the receipt or not. The examiner also will check whether the cash receipt is paid or not, and it is reached in, if we are posting it, it is reached within 2 to 3 days. Our application number will be sent to the post within 2 to 3 days on receiving the application. Okay, so nowadays we are not, no, generally they won't go for the physical application, e-filing system we will be using. Okay, and then withdrawal of patent application. There is also a provision to withdraw the patent application. If the applicant makes a request for withdrawal under section 11b within 15 months from the date of filing or priority of the application, whichever is earlier, the application will not be published. That is within 15 months from the date of filing or priority of the application, we can ask for withdrawal, we can apply for withdrawal, and then the application will not be published. And coming to the request for examination. Okay, so now after we had filed the patent application, and then it is published within time. If we request for early publication, it will be published immediately within 1 month, like that. If we had not requested for early publication, within 15 by 15th, after 15 months it will be published. Okay, after publication, the next step is examination request. So the examination of patent application will be done or on request, on getting the request either from the applicant or any other interested person. Any other interested person also can file the FER. We will be saying that as FER, request for examination. This request can be filed on form 18. Remember, it is form 18. Okay, form 18 with the prescribed fee at any time within 31 months. This is the amendment which was done in 2024. Before it used to be the 48 months, but now it is 31 months from the date of priority or from the date of filing of the application, whichever is earlier. Okay, so this is a request for examination. Then examination of applications, the examiner will apply the applicant applications, and they will send the report to the controller. The controller will analyze the report, and if there is any objections, then he will send that objections to the applicant, and ask him to clarify if any. If it is positive, then he will grant the patent, otherwise the patent will be rejected. Okay, once the patent is, here you can see that the patent is granted if all the circumstances by the examiner, the based on the report given by the examiner. And as I had mentioned, the fees for filing of patent applications, there will be separate fee for filing the application, and then for the publication of application, and then for examining the application. So these all fees will be mentioned in the IPI website, and what all the forms we have to use also will be explained in the IP India website. And the duration of the patent, once the patent is granted, the term of patent is 20 years from the date of filing of patent application. and a patent is required to be maintained by paying the annuity fees, otherwise the patent will cease. We have to pay the fees for maintaining the patents. Thank you. So by the end of this we comes to know how to file the patent, what is the procedure to will be followed in Indian patent system, and what all the forms we require in the Indian patent system. Okay, that's all in this module. In the next module we will be learning about the patent apposition and some other important aspects which are related to the Indian patent system. Thank you.